Hello friends, in this lesson we will look at the applications and the common problems of DC motors. The applications of shunt, series and compound DC motors are derived from their characteristics. In case you missed the video on characteristics of DC motor, video number 5, please check it out on the link in the pinned comments of this video. Now let's look at applications of DC shunt motor. In the video Electrical Machine Class lesson number 5 on characteristics of DC shunt motor we saw that it is an approximately constant speed motor. It is thus applicable where speed is to remain constant from no load to full load. The load has to be driven at a number of speeds and any one of which is required to remain nearly constant. Applications: 1. Lathes and drilling machines. 2. Machine tools, milling, shaping, grinding. 3. Centrifugal pumps. 4. Printing presses. 5. Fans and blowers. Now let us look at the applications of DC series motor. But before we dive into the applications, let's recap on its characteristics. It is a variable speed motor, i.e. speed is low at high torque and vice versa. At light or no load the speed is dangerously high. It has a high starting torque. Applicable where 1. High starting torque is required. 2. Load is heavy at start. The applications of series motor are 1. Electric trains, trams and trolleys. 2. Cranes and hoists. 3. Elevators and lifts. 4. Conveyor belts. 5. Air compressors. 6. Vacuum cleaners. 7. Hairdryer. 8. Winches. Now let us look at the applications of DC compound motors. In the video on characteristics of DC motors we said that compound motors are differential and cumulative. Differential compound motors are rarely used due to their poor torque characteristic. Cumulative compound are applicable where 1. High starting torque is required. 2. Constant speed under load is required. The applications are 1. Elevators and lifts. 2. Rolling mills. 3. Shears, punching and press machines. 4. Crushers. 5. Large conveyors. 6. Electric shovel. 7. Reciprocating pumps. 8. Metal shears. Now let us look at some common problems in a DC motor. They are 1. Startup failure. This is a scenario whereby the motors fails to start. The reasons could be due to ground fault, open or short circuit faults, wrong connections, too low supply voltage, frozen bearing, excessive load. 2. Sparking at brushes. This is due to troubles in brushes due to insufficient contact surface, too short brush, too little spring tension or wrong brush setting. Troubles in commutator. Due to dirt in the commutator, high mica, rough surface or eccentricity. Troubles in armature. Due to an open armature coil, short circuit or earth faults. This causes a spark each time the open coil passes a brush. The location of open coil is noticeable by a burnt line between the segments connecting a coil. 3. Vibrations and pounding noises. This may be due to worn bearings, loose parts, rotating parts hitting stationary objects, unbalanced armature, misalignment of machine, loose coupling. 4. Overheating. This is due to the following: overloads, sparking at brushes, short-circuited armature or field coils, too frequent starts or reversal, poor ventilation, incorrect voltage. 5. Bearing problems. This is due to lack of lubrication, wear misalignment. 6. Field coil faults. This is due to shorted turns, loose connections, open circuits in field windings. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe. May God bless you.